Welcome to the Pirls Stock Market Commentary video, your weekly window on stock market technical conditions, featuring the proprietary bull bear point and figure market breadth summary chart for April 14th, 2019. Market breadth. With this past week's market advance, our bull bear point and figure ratio at 1.52 rose from 1.44 last week. The total count of securities in bullish or bearish patterns increased 3% to 3,104. The count of bearish stocks decreased fractionally, while the count of stocks in bullish patterns increased 5%. The Pirls P&F market breadth summary chart shows us a market now 14 weeks in bullish territory. Paid subscribers have access to the Open Office Calc data from which the chart is generated. You may become a paid subscriber by visiting s2pmarketsignal.com, clicking Membership, clicking Register, and following the prompts. To receive the weekly Pirls Stock Market Commentary via email, free of charge, simply enter your name and your email address in the spaces provided and click Subscribe. The well-known market breadth indicator, the Nasdaq McClellan Summation Index, rose 47 points for the second advance in 6 weeks. At a positive 467.94 points, it has risen above the January 2018 top and below the June 2018 top, the February 2019 top, and the October 2017 top. And it continues above the remaining 3 tops above plus 100 in the last 30 months, as well as continuing above all 5 bottoms below minus 100 in the last 30 months. Volume analysis. In this week's volume analysis, the Nasdaq Composite Index ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode, with average daily volume lower than the prior week. In the last 2 weeks, the Nasdaq had 1 accumulation day and 1 distribution day. Accumulation days are counted when the index closes up on higher volume than the prior market day, while distribution days occur when the index closes down on volume higher than the prior market day. Last week, the Nasdaq ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode on higher average daily volume. Momentum. The CCI 20 daily in a Woody's uptrend is now at a positive 109.35, down from positive 163.80 last week. At Tuesday 3/26 close, it formed a zero-line reject long entry signal within the plus or minus 50 range and did not drop below the zero-line reject pivot point for the remainder of that week, then rose substantially. We will continue to follow this trade simulation in next week's commentary. In Woody's CCI trading system, 6 consecutive bars above or below zero are required for a change of trend. The weekly CCI 20 of the Nasdaq Composite Index began a Woody's uptrend 4 weeks ago, while the daily CCI 20 began a Woody's uptrend 12 weeks ago. The CCI 20 weekly in a Woody's uptrend at a positive 134.52 fell from a positive 140.60 last week. With 10 weeks above zero, it continues in a Woody's uptrend and continues outside the plus or minus 50 range required for a valid zero-line reject long entry signal. Industry rotation the last 2 weeks. All of the top 5 industries are positive, and only 2 of the bottom 5 are negative. Summary: some tech on the top, oil services and gold and silver on the bottom. Bullish: computer hardware and semis continue in the top 5. Gold and silver continue in the bottom 5. REITs has left the bottom 5. Oil services has re-entered the bottom 5. Bearish: brokers has left the top 5. Focus this week from the X22 Report YouTube channel. Quote, The Patriots have the deep state exactly where they want them. MOAB, in other words, Mother of All Bombs, Incoming. Episode 1840B. End quotes. It looks like banking history may soon repeat itself. Make sure you know what to expect. Thank you for watching this week's Pirls Stock Market Commentary video featuring the proprietary Bull Bear Point and Figure Market Breadth Summary Chart compiled by Donald Pearl, www.s2pmarketsignal.com. For Pirls Stock Market Commentary, I'm Cynthia Pearl, hoping that you have been enjoying a peaceful and pleasant weekend, that you are well rested and ready to watch Game of Thrones this evening, as it's forecast that possibly 1 billion people will be doing. Hoping that you are looking forward to a prosperous and productive week coming up, and wishing you true success.